Okay, let's talk about marginal safety. Marginal safety is nothing but it's like bargain with the sellers for price benefit. For example, you went to the market to buy a shirt and you select one of them after take a look few. Now you are asking the sellers what is the selling price and he said it's $100. Now you are thinking, is this the best price for this design? Okay, let's bargain with the sellers for the price benefit. I'll take the shirt if I get the price a little less. On the other hand, you will determine I'll take the shirt if I get it $90. Actually, all depends on how the design is. If you like the design a lot, then you may will take it if the sellers reduce the price even $2. But if the design is not that much good, then you may will not take if the sellers offer even $5. So if the sellers offer you $10 less, then you may take. But it's not good to look for price benefit from fixed price shops. Okay, so let's take a look where you can use marginal safety in the live markets. Okay, as you can see, this is the price line. Okay, so when the price comes here, we can see the price is going down, and here also see strongly price increase, but still there is some gap. So this may fill this gap, so I'll wait, and when I saw this price is went too up, then we can use marginal safety because this is a border line. From this line we are seeing that price fall from this level, so in this case we can use marginal safety. Also you can use marginal safety from this level also. So here you can see this is still a border line. From this line every time price is getting reduced. So when we see that the price already moved up, in that case we can uh, take this advantage. But you should not look for price benefit all the time, as I told you. In the fixed price uh, market you cannot ask for price benefit. For example, let me show you. See, this is a momentum, this is a fixed price shop. So in this case if you wait for price benefit, you cannot take this short, someone will takes. Okay, because you are waiting this price will increase, then I will sell it. But it's not increasing because it's time to get reduced. Okay, so you will have lot of example, I will show you later. See, in this case if you look for price benefit, you cannot buy this chart, someone will take. So now I will show you some uh, trade that I take using price benefits, so that you will understand more clearly where we should use the price benefit. Okay, here is the chart, you can see where I have used price benefit. As you can see, this is a minor downtrend, but this is an extreme level. From this level we can see price increase, but as I can see every time, see strong candle. Here we can see two candles. Here also now I can see only one candles, and there is still some gap. It may fill this gap, and since this is a strong levels, and there can be a seller's entry because of this sellers. There can be a buyer's entry because of strong level, and this is very strong level because from this level we can see strong buyer's entry. And When I saw this candles make even lower, but at this level we can see only rejections. So there is no any candle close. It means when if I place trade here, there are more chance to win because this is a downtrend, but this is not that much strong because buyer's entry, buyer's entry. So in this two buyer's entry, that momentum is not that much strong. So in this case, we can use marginal safety. Like like this is the design I have choose, but I was waiting to sellers to give me $10 less. Like I'll buy it if he offer $90. This is green candle, but I have placed lower option because sometimes it can happen. As you can see, there are strong sellers entry. Okay, here normally supposed to place direct trade because still there is gap to fill this level. This is a buyer's level, so still there is gap. But when I saw this is a rejection levels, it means on seller's entry, this is a support level. Where this level, sorry, this level also a support level, and previous candle got reject from this level, actually closer to this level, and this candle close at the level. So there can be a buyer's entry too. That's the reason I didn't place trade immediately, and I didn't place the higher option too because still I can see this is a momentum now and even strong sellers. So I don't want to go with buyers. I want to go with sellers with some marginal safety because this is a level. So I placed trade here, but suddenly sellers entry. That's the reason trade placed here, but still it's a winning trade. And here also you can see this is my higher option candle close as a red candle. Why I have here looking for marginal safety? Because this is a momentum, strong buyer's entry. After that, we can see seller's entry, and this is a level actually. Every time sellers are increasing his powers, but in this candle, we can see strong seller's entry at the end. Okay, and from round number. So there are chance to make a red candle through. That's the reason I have placed trade with some marginals. Even I didn't uh, follow sellers because still I can see this is a momentum. So it's not good to go against the momentum. Sometime it can happen. That's the reason I placed here higher option. But sometime it candle can made this kind of candle like the candle will close at the round numbers. So this is another case. Then let me show you this. Here you can see this is also higher option with some marginal safety because every time this is a seller's level. Now you can see this is a seller's level. Okay, every time sellers becoming weaker, though buyers are trying after a strong candle, buyers trying, but it got reject again. See, there is no new high. Okay, and again open here, and then still there is no new high. So candle close at the sellers area now. So there are more chance to enter sellers, but after trying several times, I can see strong buyer's entry. That's the reason I don't want to go with sellers. Rather than I have waited to candle comes a little back, then I place trade here, and this is a winning trade. Okay, so here you can see this is a level. You can see strong sellers level and strong buyers level. Level doesn't mean single number, it's a level. This is a level. Okay, and here you can see this is a level, something like this. I'll tell all the details in later. So here you can see every times buyers enter up to this level, only this time enter here and suddenly sellers enter strongly. But this time you can see candle is here, you can see suddenly sellers entry and within 2-3 candle it again touch, but here it's trying to get some force gradually, then it close at the level, but after that I can't see that strong candle here instead of strong candle buyers tried even more stronger than this candle. Okay, little higher here, like this candle, and candle still close at the level, so there are chance to enter buyers to fill this gap because this is a consolidation market. That's the reason I was waiting to candle made a little low, because you can see every candle has a strong wick. So in this case you should not place trade immediately. Better you just wait, and if you have some marginal safety then place trade. And see my trade place at the below than the red candle here. So if candle is still close at the red near to the red candle, still I'll win this trade. So this is very good marginal safety. And here is another example. This is also like something like this market. Okay, and this level has been following by this market. You can see candle touch this level, got rejection, again candle close at the level. After that also you can see strong sellers, but candle close above the level, but this is the breakout candle for this level. Okay, after that buyers was trying here, again tried, but here you can't see new high in this market. What it means, there is new high means when there are any breakout candle, most of the time we can expect a retrace candle too. This is a retrace candle, but still there is some gap, so we can see another candle too. But after that we can see this candle also unable to hit this level, and though there are buyers but there is no new high. That's the reason. And see strong sellers, and it's trying to make down momentum here, downtrend, and hit the level. It means this candle must close below than the level. That's the reason I have placed here lower option. So by this way you can use marginal safety. And when you should not wait for marginal safety, I mean fixed price, here you can see this price is moving something like this. You need to see the left side. Okay, so there is no chance to even expect a price benefit. See every candle, there are no chance to expect a price benefit. So every time when I saw there are no chance to expect price benefit, and it's trying to move off every time, even this time. Here you can see four sellers candle, on sellers, on buyers, again sellers, but here we can see only one sellers, and this is a engulfing, but it didn't work, means buyers are in full control. Okay, here buyers trying, buyers made a high, even high. Still we can see buyers after this doji candle. It means buyers are strongly interested. That's the reason I have placed trade instantly. So in this case you should not expect marginal safety. Let's see another example here. See the left side. Strong sellers, strong sellers. but from here you can see this is a level, buyer's entry level, and it was a level 2. This is a kind of SNR level, buyer's entry, and breakout, retrace, the breakout candle, retrace candle, then seller's entry. It means this is a SNR level, and this is a breakout. Again you can see seller's entry and close at the level. In this case we can use marginal safety here, because this is a SNR level. At least one candle will follow as this condition. This condition, because the previous candle has a strong rejection and next candle close at the level. So in this case we can go with buyers with some marginal safety, like here or here. Most of the time it will close a uh, bullish candle or small bearish candle, something like this. I saw this is a strong rejection, and again buyers tried, but it's failed. Buyers tried, but it's failed. It means there are no buyers. After a strong rejection we see buyers entry, but buyers fail. It means this is a continuation sign. That's the reason I have placed here lower option immediately, and in this case I should not wait for marginal safety. So let's check the last chart here. See, even I placed trade later, I didn't wait for marginal safety to that sellers is asking $100, I pay him $102, because I know this is I'm going to win, because this is a strong buyers level, and this is a recent market movement. Sellers weaker after strong buyers after strong buyers weaker, then engulfing candle, and there are strong gap, and finally sellers are trying to reach fill this gap. It means in this case I should not look for marginal safety. Rather than I can even pay some more than sellers is asking. So this is all about marginal safety. Let's move to the next topic.